Nightly closure starting at 9 o'clock right at Executive. You're being forced to take that new Executive exit. So if you haven't done it yet, you will there if you're up before 5:30 in the morning and heading eastbound on I-10. But now things are wide open for us in that spot. Our live check-in, I-10 Westmoreland, looks just fine as well. TxDOT cameras not showing any issues yet. I think I-10 is cleared up. We're just following again that pedestrian that was struck early this morning. Madeline Ottley is on scene. We'll get another live look with her coming up in a few minutes. And we do have that weather to talk about as well. Nicole tracking another hot one, but some storms maybe as well.
Yes, the potential for some storms, and a cold front is going to move in here. So unfortunately, that means the winds will be up, especially for those of you that live on the west side of town once that cold front starts to move in. But thankfully, it's going to usher in some cooler air. So it'll be a few degrees cooler than we were yesterday when we topped out at 105 El Paso and 103 in Las Cruces. I know, still going to be hot, but I'll take 100 over 105. All right, here comes that cold front. Again, the winds will be up on the west side. Gust around 30 miles an hour. Been a windy start for us here in Northeast and on the east sides of town, but the winds will be a bit stronger once that cold front moves in. Future track computer model does show 1 o'clock. The clouds will be on the increase, and we've got some storms just north of El Paso and Las Cruces around Radium Springs. Maybe a light sprinkle around the 8 o'clock hour, and I do think most of the storms will really impact the area mountains. So once that cold front moves in and that frontal boundary kind of stalls, it will usher in some moisture. I do think areas east will have the best chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms through at least Wednesday. Then by Thursday, well, advancing the model to Wednesday at 7 o'clock, there's some storms popping up around Santa Teresa, Chaparral, and Fort Bliss. So we're going to hang on to that chance until Wednesday. Then we'll see drier conditions and the temperatures heating back up for the end of the week into the weekend. So here's our storm outlook for today. Again, I do think we'll have that slight chance. Areas west doesn't look very promising for you all, but areas east will definitely have that chance through at least Wednesday. And then Thursday, about a 10% chance. So here's your 7-day raincast. Today, again, rain chances don't look promising, but that chance will go up tonight, later in the afternoon into the evening hours. Still tracking that patchy smoke from the wildfires in Arizona and in New Mexico. Of course, it is pretty thick around the Gila region. That's where most of the fires are taking place. But our smoke tracker, 6 o'clock in the morning, we're tracking that patchy fog. 5 o'clock, still seeing some smoke. Sorry, I keep saying fog. 7 o'clock Wednesday, you can see the easterly winds start to shift most of that smoke further west. So I think we'll see some gradual clearing here in El Paso County. Be sure to download the ABC-7 Storm Track Weather and Traffic app. If those storms do become severe, we will send an alert ahead of time. 100 will be the high today for Socorro. So I told you, it's still going to be hot this afternoon, just not as hot as it was yesterday. 99 for Fort Bliss and 99 Tornillo. So here's your 7-day forecast. It's going to be hot for the rest of the week. Coolest day is actually going to be today and Sunday.